Hey guys, it's Zaki here, and today in this video I'll be doing the $450 gaming PC build. With no further ado, let's get started. Starting with the case. For the case we have the Corsair Carbide Series Spec 1 mid-tower gaming case, which comes for $52. I really like the design and the front LED of the case. The case has the two 140/120mm fan in the front, including one LED 120mm fan. On the top it has two 120mm fan, and on the back it has one 120mm fan, and all this stuff keep the inside of the CPU super cool, and it's just awesome. Besides, on the front it has one USB 3 port, one USB 2 port, including headphone jack, microphone jack, LED indicator, and the power button. Moving on, we have the motherboard. For the motherboard, I picked the Gigabyte G1 Gaming H170 Gaming 3 motherboard. The motherboard supports 6th generation Intel Core processor. It has a dual channel DDR4 with 4 DIMMs. It has Intel USB 3.1. It has two-way graphics support with exclusive ultra-durable metal shielding over the PCIe slot. It has dual PCIe Gen 3 times 4M.2 connectors with up to 32 GB per second data transfer. It has two SATA Express connectors for up to 16 GB per second. It has 115 decibels SNR HD audio with built-in rear audio amplifier, which is mind-blowing, and order comes just for $104. Next up is the processor. For the processor, I use the AMD Athlon X4 860K Black Edition CPU processor running at 3.7 MHz, and the processor has 4 CPU cores and has a 4 MB case, and all this comes just for $79. However, in a budget, this processor is just awesome. Moving on, we have the GPU. For the GPU, we use the Asus R7 360 octa-core 2GB5 version 2 graphics card. The graphics card got dual fan cooling system, which prevents the graphics card from being overheated. The graphics card got 2 DVI port and 2 HDMI port, allowing dual monitor gaming, and this is really important for gamers. The graphics card allows auto extreme technology with super power. The graphics card also allows you GPU 2X with XSplit Gamecaster. XSplit Gamecaster allows you stream and record your gameplay instantly, and at the price point of $98, I think it's more than you need. Now we have the RAM. For the RAM, I'm using the Kingston HyperX Fury 8GB DDR3 RAM running at 1866 MHz, and it's really great. HyperX Fury DDR3 RAM automatically overclocks to 1866 MHz for hassle-free plug-and-play functionality that gets you in the game faster and instant top-level performance that helps you win it. With voltage as low as 1.35 volt, it draws less power and generates less heat while supporting Intel's new 100 series chipset, and it comes at $34. Next up is the power supply. For the power supply, I choose the EVGA 500 watt power supply. I picked the white version. The power supply has this following: 80 plus certified with up to 80% efficiency under typical loads. Fan size less bearing is 120mm double ball bearing. Quiet and intelligent. 3 years warranty, heavy duty protection including under voltage protection and overpower protection, and also short circuit protection. However, this is the power supply, and it is good enough for the GPU for this build, coming at $35. So finally, we have the Seagate 1TB desktop HDD. So the desktop HDD allows you to store up to 120 HD videos, or 200,000 photos, or 250,000 songs. The HDD allows you to store data transfer with SATA 6GB per second interface. However, If you want something, some more power to your build and a bit faster, then you can choose up the Kingston Digital 120GB SSD for just $42.30, and it's really a great deal. So that's basically it for today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, then make sure to give a thumbs up to it. Don't forget to subscribe for more PC builds like this and also different videos. So that was all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Like my Facebook page from the link in the description box down below. Follow me on Twitter at Asan0zakir, and also follow me on Google Plus at Zakir Asan. Till then, take care, guys. Check out my music channel, being accompanied with my friend Sayyid Tahseen Ahmed Bits and Tunes. So that was all for today. Hope you've enjoyed it. Till then, take care, guys. Goodbye. Peace.